In our school there is English and Tamil medium from 1st to 8th standard school. My school building is very big and beautiful. My school has 70 classrooms and a huge playground. There are 12 teachers in my school. My school teachers very kind and caring. My school has a science lab and computer lab. My school has a beautiful landscape as it is surrounded by trees. I love to go to because I learn new things every day. Thank you.
Thank you, Sriram.